How to fix Capcut washed out text color problem. So this problem could be caused by two reasons. One is because of Capcut settings issue or because of your display. So let's say the problem is with your Capcut. What you can do is click on the timeline and then you will see the modify option. Click on it and make sure you click on the empty space on the timeline. All right. Once you click on modify, you can make sure it says SDR. Anything except SDR, it's going to show you wrong colors. And make sure the FPS you select over here is correct as well. If you want 60, choose 60. If you want 30, choose 30. All right. For color space, make sure it's SDR and click on save. The problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, it could be that the display, whichever display you're using, the monitor, the color space of that monitor is not correct. So whichever company's monitor you have, write their name down and search how you can fix the color settings of your monitor. So I cannot give you an exact solution because every monitor has different color settings. So you have to search it on the internet to fix that. Okay. So this is the way on how you guys can fix this washed out color issue. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.